Hey guys, what's up? This is Felix, and if you are watching this video right now, you might be checking out this app called Premise. It's an app where you can earn some cash using your smartphone. So what's Premise is all about? Well, it's like a tool that helps people gather information about the world around them. Stuff like checking prices at stores, taking pictures of products, or even just answering some questions. So let's see if this is legit and money could be earned. In the meantime, if you would like to learn how you could be earning $5,000 to $10,000 per month, 100% from home, meaning not leaving your house, then click on the link in the video description and I'll send you my favorite strategy right away. Now, on this channel, I reviewed a bunch of different apps and offers that let you earn money online. Some of them are great and I use them myself. And some of them are okay, some of them not that great, and some of them are useless, and some of them are complete scams. So let's see how Premise fares in comparison with other apps. What do you have to do to earn a buck with it, and if this is worth doing it at all? Let's take one thing out of the equation, and that is this app is 100% legit. Premise.com is an innovative platform that allows users to share their opinions on various topics. By participating in surveys and activities, you play a role in global research and decision-making processes, offering insights that matter. Premise is available in 70 countries around the world, and there are 10 million downloads of this app. It's a lot of downloads, and it speaks for its legitimacy. Now, so one of the tests that you might earn money is by taking simple surveys, taking pictures of products in specific stores and supermarkets, because market research companies want to collect data pertaining to those particular products in those places. You are going to have to take pictures of the barcode that is called UPC code. The trick with that is UPC code has to match to the code of the research company. And if you took a picture of the product and the UPC code does not match, that becomes a problem because you're not going to get paid. Now, if you have to travel to those stores, make sure it's not too far. Otherwise, it makes no sense to do that if you have to go out of your way and not getting paid for it. People that work in stores sometimes make mistakes by applying wrong barcodes to their products, and as a result, you may not get paid because of it. So imagine if you have to travel for even half an hour each way to your store destination to take a couple of pictures. Even if UPC codes are correct, it may not be worthwhile doing it at all. So you have to take in consideration travel time and expenses that apply to it. When you decide to take surveys, the availability of it is not going to be that constant. There are instances when the availability of tasks on Premise.com may decrease, often influenced by market demand or operational changes. And this can affect how consistently users can earn money, sometimes leading to periods of complete inactivity. And by the way, payments for just taking surveys are obviously smaller than for traveling to different destinations and taking pictures of the products. Now, Premise offers diverse payment methods, making it convenient for users to access their earnings. Whether you prefer bank transfers, PayPal, or digital currency, getting paid for your contributions is straightforward and hassle-free. However, there are sometimes issues with time processing of the payments. So, all in all, Premise is an okay app, but many people report glitches in there. So let's read some reviews that people left about this app. So Beverly Raymond leaves a 5-star review, which is awesome, and it happened April 11, 2024, so it's fairly recent. This finding app is as difficult as it appears at first. I suggest searching all tasks for a large store or task at store near each other. I then write down each item with a barcode so I can look at the product before I go. I screenshot the pic so it's easier to find. Sometimes the product name is confusing, and this way you really only spend the amount of time that is listed in the app. Now, there are also not so great reviews. 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗲 left a review on March 23rd, 2024, also fairly recent. And she says, you cannot possibly do any of the tasks. They request a specific UPC code for an item. I find said item, but the barcode is not the same, which is kind of expected. I have evidence through the Target app that the UPC code is exact, but the barcode is different because different stores have different systems, especially when sold in multiple stores. I explained this with evidence from the store app, and they gave me a generic response of it must match. Well, it won't match. A real catch-22. Delete it. I'm going to read the last one. Left by Kayla Charles on December 16, 2023. I used to like Premise when I first downloaded it a while ago. I have been able to cash out many times, mostly from surveys. Now it seems they have made it even harder to actually pay out, from it being nearly impossible to find the exact UPC for products, error loading screen tasks, that's when I talk about glitches, and not paying for surveys out. It's not worth it to me anymore. Also gave me a wrong address for a task. It's becoming a waste of time to waste and gas money trying to use this app for it to end up not working out. Now, these issues are not there all the time, but you definitely have to take it in consideration. Also, this app is not going to make you rich, let alone quit your job. So a proper expectation of possible earning is a must, or you're going to get extremely disappointed. So if you are curious about this app, you can go to premise.com, click on the contributor tab, and scroll down and get it on Google Play. Let's see, it should be right over here, Google Play, or App Store, where you can find it on your phone. Now, most likely, the reason you watch this video in the first place is because you're looking for an additional or supplemental income, or even if you want to find an ability to earn a full-time income specifically from the comfort of your home. Now then, I would strongly recommend you to check out my favorite strategy, which I at one point started with as well, which can potentially earn you $5,000 to $10,000 per month. I included the link for this strategy below in the description box and pinned comments for your convenience. So click on the link and my favorite strategy will be sent to you immediately. You don't have to pay for it. It's absolutely free of charge. It's a sort of thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my video and all the best. And hey, if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all the latest tips and tricks for making money online. See you in another video review. Bye-bye.